Good morning, friends. Today I am going to continue with the noun Sangya, noun and its types. Sangya के प्रकार. Sangya के प्रकार. Okay. Already we have learned proper noun, which is said to be as Vyaktivačak Sajna. I wrote last time in English also. You can refer the old video. Common noun Jativačak Sajna. Collective noun समूहवाचक संज्ञा. समूहवाचक. Here up I have written संज्ञा. Now, what is collective noun? A group of something is called collective noun. So, किसी भी झुंड को हम समूहवाचक, किसी भी समूह को या झुंड को हम समूहवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. वो संज्ञा का एक प्रकार होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल छात्र, दैट मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स, भीड़, क्राउड, झुंड, ग्रुप. We can prepare sentences with this. Bheed, that is crowd. There is lot of crowd in the market. बाज़ार में बहुत भीड़ है. The word भीड़ is used. कौओं का झुंड आकाश में फेरे मार रहा है. A group of crow is flying in the air. Next is material noun. द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा. द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा. This is regarding watery material, liquid material. Any noun that indicates liquid form is said to be as material noun, which is not countable. Now, किसी भी संज्ञा के प्रकार में द्रव्य या पानी जैसा पदार्थ को संकेत किया जाता है, उसे द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. तांबा, कॉपर, चांदी, सिल्वर, तेल, ऑयल. These things can be measured in kiloliters or maybe in grams, kilograms. In that form only. You cannot find out with one small bit of anything and say this is maybe 5 kg or 6 kg or anything. Or oil also, you will have to measure it. After measuring only you can use it. So 1 liter of oil, 2 liters of oil, or 1 or 2 spoons of oil. So which is countable, but when we see it, you cannot count it. You cannot hold it in your hand and you can say this is this much only. Abstract noun, भाववाचक संज्ञा, which shows the quality or qualification of a person, which it also tells the moods or the conditions of a person or that particular situation also. That such nouns are called abstract nouns. जिस संज्ञा में भाव या कोई विचार प्रकट होता है उसे भाववाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. भाववाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल चाइल्डहुड, बचपन, ब्रेव, बहादुर, ह्यूमैनिटी, मानवता. These things cannot be measured. Both these abstract noun and material noun cannot be as such measured. So they are uncountable. But collective noun, you can say how many students are there, how many crowd is there, how many group of people are there. You can count it. In common noun also, one person, one detail, one particular person's or a group of students means how many students we can count it. In case of proper noun also it is the same. So they are all countable, they are all uncountable. Thank you.